Hey, hi everybody. This is Steve from Mac Daddy Hobby Model. Um, I got some breaking news on my stash. Um, First, let me get into this. What a week I've had. Crazy, crazy week. So, um, Wednesday, I went down to get my mail. We get ours at a post office, and there was a package there for me. So when I went to the counter and the guy came out with a package, it was this big box. I had no idea. I didn't order anything. I didn't know what it could have been. So I got home and opened it up, and I've already talked about this, but it was from Dan the Man from the 60s Rule Channel. He sent me an awesome package with a bunch of models, some goodies, um, and I've already told him how much I appreciated what he did. And you guys commented on a lot of it. Um, so that was Wednesday, and I'm very appreciative. I'm floored. So I went down today and the same thing. I had some packages. So went to the counter and they hand me two boxes. Well, one of them was from uh, Big Charlie's Model Garage, the Big C. I've been talking to Charlie a little bit on the phone. Him and I chit chat, which is really cool. Super nice guy. We were both truckers, as I've already said that before. So we kind of think alike. We did the same career, so we know what it's all about. So anyway, I've been talking to him, and I opened the first box, and lo and behold, um, I'm going to have to turn this around, so it's going to be a little shaky. But um, Big C decided to also add to my stash, and he sent me a nice little care package with these models. Um, Super awesome. There's that 57 Ford. There's a Viper, which I really like. I mean, I always wanted to buy one, but well, we know the rest of that story. Um, he got give me the '63 Chevy Nova wagon. I'm sorry if this is bouncy. Uh, an airplane and a '71 Duster, plus a few goodies here he sent me, which is really really cool, and I'm very appreciative, Charlie. I've already talked to him and thanked him on the phone, um, but I wanted to do it on my video too, so everyone knows what kind of community this is. So, in the next package was from Larry from Larry's Model Shop. Um, I had received an email or something from him. I think it was an email, and he said, I sent you something. When you get it, let me know if you need instructions. So, for a few days, I'm thinking, what could this possibly be? Um, so today, I opened that package, and Larry had heard me talk about storage on my laptop, which I've been having a memory problem when I try to upload and edit videos, and it tells me I need more room, and it's been kind of aggravating. And I've been contemplating what I was going to do, and one of the things I was going to do was try to get a external drive. Well, Larry, the cool guy that he is, sent me an external drive with 500 gigabytes, which is going to help me tremendously. And again, Larry, thank you so much. Charlie, thank you. Uh, Dan the Man, thank you. Um, I am just, I'm a loss for words on this. To anyone that's new, if anyone is watching this channel, or if anyone uh, knows, it's been in the community, I'm sure there's a lot of guys been in way longer than I have. I mean, I've literally only been into this model thing for, you know, I built a couple maybe a year, not quite a year ago. But I really got into it heavy the last 3 months, I would say. And then the YouTube, I'm definitely into that. So, and being part of this community is amazing. I mean, the people on this community, excuse me, I don't know, I don't care which one you go to. Everyone I've been to or made a comment or asked a question, they're right there. And they have the love for this hobby that is unbelievable. And they're so interested in helping someone new get involved. This is the kind of community I'm glad I'm part of. When I first started out, I seen community guys were posting, and I had asked, how do you get into this community? What do you got to do? And they told me, and then they started inviting me in and sending me, good job, that kind of thing. And before I know it, I'm up to 94 subscribers. And Larry, give me some advice. Don't stress the numbers. And I'm really not, to be honest with you. I didn't get into this for money. I didn't get into the. Yeah, I like the numbers going up. That's cool. And if it stops here, that's amazing. Like I've said, I've made 94 new friends. And this kind of stuff, when they send me this stuff, floors me. It just floors me. I mean, nobody's ever done anything like that for me in my whole entire life. So I can't, from the bottom of my heart, I can't thank you all enough because it means the world to me. Um, my wife's pretty happy too because she knows I'm not going to go out and buy anything for a little while because I'm. So for those of you keeping count, my stash is now up to 18, which at the beginning of this week it was only 3. So that's pretty remarkable. So, and thanks a million to you guys for doing that for me. Um, it's great. This is a great community. I don't know how it ever got started, whoever was the first or whatever, but it's awesome. And it's a great community to be a part of. And I'm not just saying that because of everything you've done for me, but that's important. And it means the world to me. But it's a good group of guys, and I can't wait to. I'm going to try to go to. I guess there's a swap meet that um, Dirt Road Cinderella told me was going on. She lives near me, and there's one in Binghamton, New York, coming April 5th, I believe. So I'm really going to try to make that. I'm gonna get up early and truck on out there and at least one day and see the show and take a walk through. And who knows, I might meet somebody out there. I don't know. Maybe Dirt Road Cinderella will be there. Who knows? But anyway, I'm definitely planning on doing that. And I'd like to get to some other ones where I can meet up with some of these guys. So, that's what I'm looking forward to shake their hand and hell, give them a hug for what they've done for me. So, I just wanted to make this video. I know I'm rambling on again, but I wanted to make this video because it's important to get the message out how important and how generous and how involved these members are in this hobby and how they do their videos and do their models is amazing. And I keep saying, I'm learning. I'm slow. I've been working on this truck for a little while, but I'm trying to get things better every time I build a model. And you know, now I've got a bunch to build and go for it. So I'm excited. So I'm really excited about this hobby. It's something I really enjoy. I mean, I could spend probably the full day up here in my hobby room, um, but I'm going to continue to do it. I like now it's at night. I'll come up here. It's like 10, 11 o'clock at night, but I'll be up here till probably 3:30 in the morning before I go to bed. Um, to work on my models. It's relaxing. It's it's great, and doing the video. So this video, I'll probably I don't know if I'll send it out tonight or tomorrow, but I will send it out, and I'll give you guys a break maybe for a day or two. But I still got to make the videos, but I'll maybe hang on to them and then I'll send them out. Um, but so as my stash goes, man, it's awesome, and the numbers on my subscribers is cool. And like I said, I don't call them subscribers. I actually call them friends. So thanks, friends. Keep it up, man. Keep up them shop cards. I just mailed a bunch out the other day. I did order some and I got some made up. So hopefully you guys will be getting them. Uh, you know, um, I kind of did something different than what everybody else does in the back of the card. And I think most of you will get the idea. I'm not being a wise ass. I just think it was I thought it was kind of funny. I like doing stuff like that once in a while. So I hope you get a kick out of that. Um, and, I'm going to continue doing this. Um, and I love being part of the community. Thank you all. I mean it. Thank you. So when at the end of my videos, I always say, see ya. Well, when I worked for Walmart, that was a big thing on the CB. You know, you that's one of the terms we used to use, and somehow that just came to me, and that's what I like to say at the end. But a lot of guys would do a little more with it, you know what I mean? And like, see ya, so that's my see ya. That's my trademark and my hat. I might change that up, but these are my trademarks for my video. And my kids watch these. They get a kick out of it. Um, you know, uh, they're old man's, you know, doing stuff like this, and it kind of surprises them. But I'm not going to hold back. I'm just going to let it go. I just enjoy doing it. So again, thank you. I love you all. Um, Best to everybody. Hope everybody's doing fine. And I will talk to you again soon. See ya.